The blank page is like a symbol of life. This is a giant white canvas. How do you express yourself? What story do you want to tell? How are you going to tell that? How are you going to say it with color, with words, with design, with symbolism? We began by taking the students on a field trip.
Having had the opportunity to go to their studio and see a working studio, ARTsmart provided that for us.
We're folding cranes, and we're folding them out of origami paper.
Started off just with white paper, and then he started introducing how we could use our own creativity and make our own story out of the crane.
We add meaning to things immediately, no matter what, because we associate the visual world and the objects with ourselves.
I just try to make it symmetrical so the crane would come out good.
It's like sort of abstract, and it has like nature like on the sides, and then it has like clouds. Like it's somewhat related to like climate change. This looks like a little ocean.
You might want to sketch that on there first with like a pencil.
Putting basically like the designs on this paper crane to the actual crane.
I like red. I like red roses.
The stripes, it's like symbolic of like a zebra has like black and white stripes, and I'm like half black and half white, so like that's kind of like symbolic of like my race.
Every time when I wake up, I see like little birds in the window, so I just draw like the roses and the leaves.
The idea is to have a piece of paper that was folded into a design and then transfer that so that they can have a 2D and a 3D work of art.
It's cool to have like outside people come in and talk to us about what it's really like, because no one's ever done that before.
It's a dialogue.
Getting to work with professional artists, it's exciting for them. So the more opportunities they have to work with artists and hear different ideas and viewpoints, that's all to their benefit.
We always hear about all the art that's around the city, but we don't really interact with that many artists.
The added benefit of bringing ARTsmart in, it's a collaboration.
They share their ideas with us and teach us how to become better.
The more you put into it, the more you'll get out of it. And it really is true. It's true in life, it's true in art.
It keeps you from like going into like a routine of doing like the same stuff over and over.
Helps you be like a more out there person.
It's like something new to me.
Yeah.
So I'm like learning something new.
I never knew I could do it, like do this.
I feel pretty proud of finishing it.
I named it the Lovebird because it has all the hearts around it, and I've said it represents like someone who's trying to go across the world, like wherever they go, they're just trying to spread love and joy.